In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal info on Gusto as an employee. If you need to make changes to your personal details in Gusto, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Keeping this information up to date is important because it can affect your payroll records, tax documents, contact information, and emergency details. So, let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, sign in to your Gusto employee account. Make sure you're using the correct employee login and wait until your dashboard fully loads before moving on. If you're doing this on a shared or public device, it's always a good idea to double check that you sign out when you're finished. Once you're logged in, open your profile. You can usually do this by clicking your profile name or profile picture. This will take you to the area where your account and personal details are stored. Next, go to the Personal section. Look for a tab or menu item labeled Personal. This is where Gusto keeps the key information connected to your employee profile. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right section before editing anything. After that, select Edit next to the personal information you want to update. Depending on what you need to change, you may see separate edit options for different parts of your profile. This helps you update only the specific information that needs attention. Now update your personal details. You can modify information such as your name, address, phone number, email address, or emergency contact information. As you enter the new details, be careful to type everything accurately. Even small errors can cause issues later, especially with important records or employer communication. Once you've made your updates, review your changes carefully. This is an important step because it gives you a chance to catch any mistakes before saving. Check spelling, numbers, and formatting, and make sure every field reflects the information you want on file. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the updates. Gusto may take a moment to process the change, so give it a few seconds if needed. Finally, confirm that the information was updated successfully. Review your profile again and make sure the new personal details appear correctly. This final check helps ensure that your records are accurate and fully updated. And that's it. You've successfully updated your personal information on Gusto as an employee. Thanks for watching.